Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Thank you for stopping by. Today I've got an unboxing of a 1970 Chevrolet SS Impala by AMT, 125 scale. This is a 3-in-1 kit. You build it stock, custom, or drag. This particular kit came out in 1996. It is kit number 6172. Has the 454 rat motor in there, big buck, some new mags, some wide vinyl slicks, Hillborn fuel injection, tri-power, tube headers, a little bit here on custom spray lacquers from AMT, and the bottom. This one here was made in Mexico. Alrighty. Go ahead and let's get right into this one today. Hope you're all having a great day. Beautiful weather out there today where I am. Alright, well this kit is molded in gray. We have one big bag of gray parts. We'll go ahead and get right into it. There's a big old body. A little bit of color flaw there. Nice. This is 70. It's very reminiscent of the 68 and 69 also. Nice flared wheel wells here and here. We could use a good scribing out there to enhance them lines a little bit. Nice rockers. Obviously this piece will need to be removed. Wow, looks like the whole dash and everything is separate. Alright. Very nice, very nice. Here's the chassis. Oh, very nice. Nice little bit of a bumpy detail there. Normally that's where holes are to allow for moisture escaping, but... And we got floor pan. Gasoline tank area. Nice thickness on this one, real nice. Nice and straight. Here we have the interior tub with the molded in rear seat. Package tray's got a little bit going on there, some mold release pin situation going on there. We'll have to file those down unless this part's covered by the trunk area. I'm not sure. Let me look real quick. Yeah. Wow. A tight fit on that one, guys. There we go. Well, we'll have to hollow that hole out a little bit. Some flashing on there is not allowing it to go in, but as you can see, the back part's all covered up once it's installed properly. And then also side panels, minimal detail. There's stuff there, but it could be better. Molded in brake pedal and gas pedal and a little park and brake. Little hole there for a floor shifter. And on this tree we have some roll pans, front and rear. I don't know what this is. Let's see what part number it is. It is 29, so curious to see what that is. It might be a trunk divider, but that doesn't make sense because there's a molded in rear seat on the interior bucket. Well, here we go with the engine, transmission, distributor, ignition coil, timing chain and water pump there. Fan belt pulley system, starter, big oil pan with the oil filter attached to it. Alright. And here we have steering wheel. Classic looking steering wheel. Big old dashboard there. One piece. Nice little detail imprinted in there. Front suspension, big chunk of sprue that we'll discard for the company. Exhaust, mufflers, resonators, rear axle housing with the traction bars on there, torsion bars. Here's the firewall, really nice detail on that. And the radiator core support with some nice detail on that. That's impressive. Old funky chain link steering wheel. I haven't seen one of them in many years. Coil springs, air, just shock absorbers, and part 43 look like spindles for the front wheels. Some big black exhaust manifolds, intake manifold, heads. And the hood, very nice looking hood. Here we have battery fell off, it was laying on the side there, so I'll show you that. The hood, the underside of the hood allows for a cutout there if you want. Front seats, nice big old bench, nice headrest on there. Some side pipes maybe, or just down mufflers, you know, they go that way. And this looks like a custom piece for the rear window, which matches up to that other little piece. No, it doesn't. We're still going to figure out what that other one is. And then the bottom of the front end there, under the bumper kind of section. Here we have some clear red parts, our tail lights, and some side marker lights. Very cool. Here's a bunch of tires. Five tires. Come on, where's the other one? Oh, 6 tires. Alright, let's try that again. 2, 4, 7 tires. So we get a spare in there apparently. This is what we have for tires. The slicks that are very similar to the last couple of kits I've done. Goodyears. This one's a little chewed up, but I mean that can be cleaned up. Put them over there. And then we have some decent tread on 5 tires. They appear to be Goodyear also. Alright. Very nice. Because it's sitting right here, we have the windshield and the rear window. And a couple of custom headlights if you want to do a different front end, I think. We'll set that right there real gentle. The chrome, we've got 2 pieces of separated trees here. We'll go ahead and cut through the middle on this, make it easier. On the smaller one, we have yet another steering wheel. I think, no, maybe that's not a steering wheel. No, they might be beauty rims. And then, I don't know. Because these are already made open. These come with the little, almost the Chevy symbol in the middle. Here's a nice intake manifold. Really sharp looking rims, wheels. Some Hilborn injection tubes. And a couple of different parts of the exhaust system there. Alright. And our final parts tree. We have beautiful front end, nice and chrome. Of course, we'll add a little bit of blackout accent in there. Make that look sharp. Here's a custom version if you wanted to do that. And that's where them square headlights would go. Wow, another set of rims and then a set of hubcaps. So you get 3 different wheel options on this one. That's pretty cool. Rear bumper. And wow, this is another bumper. You could make a 69 Impala out of this, I think. I think that's a 69 bumper. Either way, it's pretty cool. It's definitely a 70 bumper here. That's pretty cool. Couple different valve cover options. Fan, exhaust tips, air cleaner. The covers, they're not really velocity stacks, but they're the little covers for the air cleaners for the tricarb system, which is right here, the 3 carburetors. Back of the alternator, some bumperettes, bumper guards, and so, you know, stick shift, a single carb, and then the Hillborn intake manifold. All right. Blue printer card. That was yellowed. It's been in there a while. Here's the decals. I'll go ahead and show those. I can't make out what this is. Something structor. I see that part of it. Restructor? I don't know what that means. Huh. Yeah, shout it out. Put it in the comments if you can understand what this is. I can't make it out. Okay. Some kind of psychedelic looking things here. You could do like a lowrider version of this, I guess. Motor wheel, 454, Chevy symbol. Pretty nice looking design in there. Okay. Put that in there. Put that way. And last but not least, we have the instructions. It says reproduction of the original instruction sheet. Well, that's good to know. I think we already knew that, really, you know. Before you begin, no information on the actual vehicle. Put the engine together. 3 different options. Chassis. Keep an eye out for that big old piece that I was looking for. Oh, there it is, right there, guys. It's the back of the front seat. I didn't think of that because that little notch was throwing me, but it's to cover the tunnel going from front to back there for the drive shaft. Okay. Those were kingpins, spindles. Okay. Put your battery in. Put the hood together. Wow, that's it. It's like 6 steps to building this one. Okay. Yeah, you can do a custom rear bumper, but they don't tell you the year on it. I'll have to look and see what the 69 was. It's real similar to that to me. Maybe not, though. It's been a while since I've seen one. Well, alrighty, folks. I appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by. As always, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and get your friends to subscribe, and stay on them about it, because, boy, you know. Alright, everybody. I appreciate you. Have a great day. See you on the next one. Keep on modeling.